Okay, this video is to show you how to enter emergency mode. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to turn both of your circuits off. So when you're over DHW, domestic hot water, press the power button and these icons will grey out. And you're going to go to cycle 1, do the same thing. Once both circuits are off, you're going to enter installer mode by holding down the menu button and the favorite button for 3 seconds. You should see a flashing spanner icon down there that indicates that you're now in installer mode. So you're going to want to go to the main menu. The first thing you're going to need to check is in the DHW menu. So if you scroll down to DHW electric heater, you need to make sure that this is enabled. So if it says disabled, click on the mechanical knob, scroll across and change it to enabled. Now what you're going to want to do is scroll across to auxiliary function, and emergency operation mode needs to be in automatic. Emergency space heating status needs to be enabled, and DHW status also needs to be enabled. Now when you go back to the main menu and you turn these circuits back on, you'll hear a click in the unit, and that shows that the emergency heater has come on. Now the flashing red light that indicates that there's an error will remain on throughout emergency mode, but you don't need to worry about that. And you should see, once this is on, your hot water should start heating up as usual.